Welcome back to my presentation. We all know Progress Bar meme uses the same exact skin as Progress Bar 95. But in the new Progress Bar, you're going to see something not like Progress Bar 95. Progress Bar meme is the last Progress Bar to use Progress DOS. In the new Progress Bar, we're going to use the new Progress Bar CMD. The Progress Bar CMD is more better than Progress DOS. We also want to introduce you my new friend right now. Come up the stage. Hello everyone, it's the new me. Say hello to Dog. Introduce the new Progress Bar, Dog. The new Progress Bar is more better than Progress 5 from the past. We're going to introduce something new. Something you're touching the ground right now. And something you're looking at the sky. It's just like the newest thing. It's just like not Progress 95 anymore. It feels like something new. And we're going to introduce you Progress Bar XP. Thank you everyone. The new Progress Bar XP is the fill you've been waiting for, with the new log-in screen. We're going to see what is the new features. The new feature in Progress Bar XP is login. You can see the new wallpaper, the new things, new one of these. You know already to press the begin button, but the begin button is more better than before. More better than before. Yes, it's more better. This is it. Yes, that's right. So, what are the new features? It just looks exactly like the Progress Bar 95. We got some new features. It includes the new bug report. Report any bug you found, and we will report it. Oh wait, is that me right there? Yes, that is me. Introducing the new game mode you may play forever. Tap to shoot and collect bottles. It is the most best game mode ever for you and your family. And that is the end of the presentation. Thank you.